Alright traders, so on this video I will be showing you some exclusive strategy that is gonna make you hundreds and hundreds of profit in the market. So let me go ahead and start with the very first pair, and that is going to be Euro GBP. Boom, pay close attention guys. This is what I pay attention. This is the way how I do my exclusive strategy on the market. I always pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is very important. What is the two higher time frame that I always pay attention? That is always gonna be 4 hours in daily time frame. That is the main thing. If you guys pay attention, we haven't done any analysis yet, but this is the way how I do it. So the daily time frame is telling the market is in a buy. 4 hours all the way to the 50-minute is telling me that we are selling. So another thing that I always pay attention, which is very important guy, and it's the trend candles change. But I always pay attention what is the multiple time frame doing. So for instance, here's the multiple time frame, here's the TW sniper entry, and then I pay attention to what do I do? Pay attention guys, I pay attention to the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. It's telling you. And look at the trend candle, guys. It turned yellow every time. No matter what the market do, guys, it will always turn yellow with the arrow. So if the market is selling, yes, you will be getting the red arrow, and bam, market drop with the confirmation. Look at what happened here. Here's multiple times again. Here's the TW sniper entry again. Here's the stairs. Look at the yellow box. It turned green and bam, it went up. Yes, you will have pullbacks and so on. That's why it's very important. Let me delete everything so you will see it. That's why it's very important to make sure the multiple time frame with the TW sniper shows up, and then you go up. Multiple time frame shows up with the TW sniper entry, and you comes down. So that's simple. It's that simple. Now that we know based on the dashboard the daily time frame is in a buy and the 4 hours is selling, we're gonna pay attention to the real data, right? Real data do not lie, guys. So now let's find out what is the multiple time frame in real time. Remember what I say here. Let's go back to the 4 hours in daily time frame. The daily is saying that we're in a buy, 4 hours is saying that we're in a pullback. So here's multiple time frame. Here's the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs, guys. You are seeing this in real time. So look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Now look at here. Here's your yellow box. Do you see any other yellow box going up? This is the daily time frame. Daily time frame is only going one way, and bam, it went up. Now on Friday, market left us with a what? This is considered a pullback. You don't see any TW sniper entry because it's a pullback. So what is the yellow box doing? Look at here, it changed and bam, it's dropping currently based on what you are seeing on the dashboard. That is true. Now, so here is where I come in. So now this is what I'm seeing. Market still has potential to drop more pips all the way, retesting our previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be our 50 Fibonacci level, and then from there, don't forget the market here is bullish, and then boom, it's gonna go all the way to our 23.60 Fibonacci. Then it's gonna make a small retracement, and by then the week is over. Very simple, very straightforward. This is gonna be very exclusive strategy that I'm telling you. So but let me go ahead and show you another one. So I'm gonna make the video slowly, guys, because I really want to make sure that you guys get it. Okay, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that is gold. Someone challenged me on my private well, let me show you gold. Here it is. So let me not show you the real data yet, but someone challenged me and said, Irvin, can you really make a video on gold? I said, dude, I made a video last week. But he says, yeah, but I think it's gonna make a sell. Look at the dashboard, guys. There's no way you're gonna get confused. Look, for 1 month all the way to 1 minute, market is only going one way, and that is going bullish. That's it. That's what gold is doing. Gold is only going one way, and that is going up. This is my exclusive strategy profit that I make money on it. So now that you see that, we're gonna go to real data, because that's what you hear. You care what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? That's it. So here it is. Pay attention. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's there. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom, it's there. What is the stair doing? Boom, 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 What is the yellow box doing, guys? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer no matter what. But here's the yellow box. Remember, you can trade just by those yellow box. Red, market comes down. Green, yellow box, market goes up. You don't see any yellow box coming down. You don't. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is only going one way, and that is bullish. And that's exactly what gold is doing. Gold is very, very bullish. So in my opinion, still has potential to go all the way to our 25.4020, and from there we are gonna be looking for a pullback. So here on the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, it's gonna turn red, but we don't have that indication. So all I can tell you is markets may go all the way there, and then from there it's gonna come back and retest its previous multiple time frame ones, multiple time frame 2, multiple time frame 3, which is gonna be between your 2360 Fibonacci, and from there market will continue up. Very simple, very straightforward. That's what I want to keep this business very simple, because I like to teach guys what it's gonna do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's what I like to teach. I don't like to teach you back data, because you will never ever make any money out of it, because it's over. I like to teach you reality. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you another amazing pair, and that is going to be USD 30. Let me show you that. Look at that. Let me not show you the real data, because I don't want to show you the real data. Look at the dashboard, guys. There's no way you will be getting confused. What is the look? Just look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard telling you, guys? Look at all those green folders in there. From 1 minute, from 15 minutes all the way to 1 month, market is only going one way, and that is bullish. And this is USD, guy. USD 30. Here it is in 4 hours. Now let's go ahead and analyze this on real time, real data, because that's why we are making money on it. So look, here it is. Look at the multiple time frame, guys. This is a brand new trend, so it's time to make money on the market, guys. Hopefully you guys make money. Look at here, what is multiple time frames doing? What? Boom! It's telling you, hey Irvin, I'm gonna buy. Look at this green multiple time frame. Boom! It's telling you more confirmation. Look at the TW sniper entry, brand new, guys. Brand new. Friday gave us his update. It's time to make money on the bullish trend. This is very exclusive, guys, strategy that I'm teaching you. Look at the green, the yellow box, guys. Look at here. Boom! What is the color of the yellow box arrow that is in there, guys? That is green. Look at the candle. The candle changed. Before it was yellow, red, and came down. Yellow, green, and now it's going up. Look at that beautiful monster going up, guys. Now here's your previous multiple time frame. So that's why I say market, it will continue all the way to our previous multiple time frame. From here we're gonna get a red arrow coming down, retesting all the way to our 60.8 Fibonacci level, and bam, market will continue on that buy trend. That's what I think the market is gonna do, guys. This is very, very nice. Look at this, beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. Look, yellow box, bam, market drop, right? That's what it did. Yellow box again, and bam, market is going up. Do you see any yellow box coming down? Do you see anything like this previously in here? No, right? So market still going up. So market is, that's what I'm saying. Markets may go all the way to the top, and bam, market is gonna drop, and boom, it's gonna continue up. It's that damn simple. Hopefully, guys, this exclusive strategy will help you make hundreds and hundreds of profit in the market. If you guys have any question, please let me know, and I'm here to help. You can reach out to me. The link is on the description of this video. And subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, and let's make money together. So thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, peace out. Bye. Hasta la vista.